Ever struggled to extract characters after a dash when the number of characters isn't always the same? Let's fix that with a simple formula. I'll start by entering the right function. This will pull the characters from the end of the text. Inside that, we need to tell Excel how many characters to pull, so I'll add the LEN function. That gives us the total number of characters in the cell. Now, we subtract the position of the dash using the find function. That tells us where the dash is. So altogether, the formula looks like this. And hit enter. And there it is. Finally, let's just drag the formula down to fill the rest of the rows. Super easy, and it saves a ton of time. If this helped, subscribe and stay tuned for more quick Excel tips like this. Thanks for watching.